In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify self-serve returns in a few simple steps. This tutorial will guide you through the entire process, ensuring you can manage your store's returns efficiently and set up clear guidelines for your customers. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Log in if you haven't done so already and navigate towards the Store section, where options such as Flow and other integrated apps are listed. This area is crucial because it's where you'll manage the various aspects of your store's operations, including returns. Once you're there, the next step is to click on Customer Accounts. This is where you can manage how your customers interact with their accounts on your store. Managing customer accounts is essential for providing a seamless shopping experience, allowing your customers to make changes and track their orders or returns effortlessly. After you've accessed the Customer Accounts section, you'll want to look for the option labeled Self-Serve Returns. Click on it. This feature is perfect for empowering your customers to initiate returns on their own, reducing friction and enhancing customer satisfaction. Having this option available not only saves you time, but also streamlines the returns management process, ultimately leading to improved customer loyalty. Now, let's move on to one of the most critical parts of setting up returns, defining your return rules. Click on Return Rules to do this. Here you have the flexibility to set specific criteria and conditions that dictate which items are eligible for returns. Be thoughtful in outlining these rules to ensure they are clear and fair, taking into consideration factors like timeframes, product conditions, and potential restocking fees. This clarity will help prevent potential disputes and confusion, fostering a transparent relationship with your customers. To finalize the setup, you must establish a comprehensive return and refund policy. Click on the section labeled Return and Refund Policy. This document should clearly articulate the return process, eligibility criteria, timelines, and whether the customer is responsible for return shipping costs. A well-crafted policy not only protects your business, but also builds trust with your customers by showing that you value their satisfaction and business. Remember, these steps give you a robust framework for managing returns, but your approach should also be flexible enough to adapt to your specific business needs and customer expectations. Regularly review and update your return policies to ensure they stay relevant and competitive. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to implementing an effective self-serve return system in your Shopify store. It's all about creating a seamless, user-friendly return experience for your customers while maintaining operational efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more useful Shopify tips and tutorials.